Hey guys, it's Mike Nardi here. So today we're going to be doing a pretty awesome video. We're going to be talking about a Fiverr seller who has a background in affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of affiliate marketing or you've heard of it and you were interested in learning what you could do with that, this might be a really interesting video for you. So the Fiverr seller we're talking about today's name is Abid Nasser, 581 I believe. He's from Israel and he does social media marketing and graphic design services on Fiverr. But his background and something that he's done in his spare time has been affiliate marketing. So I'm really interested to go through his profile and his gig to see how that background has shaped his ability to offer services on Fiverr. And if you're curious about offering services on Fiverr and you kind of slot into this niche of individual, this might be a great video for you to use to help jumpstart your Fiverr career. So a little bit of background about this Fiverr seller is he's currently a university student, and his whole mission with Fiverr is to earn money that he can funnel back into starting an affiliate marketing business. So he actually has a lot of experience in affiliate marketing as well. So both with affiliate marketing and using paid traffic to run that type of a business. So when he submitted his information to me, he's let me know that he's run over 50 successful affiliate marketing campaigns. And he's using Fiverr and his skills that he's learned through affiliate marketing and social media marketing and graphic design to earn money to funnel back into that business. So it's kind of interesting. Fiverr's serving as his his almost like his capital or his cash flow for his future affiliate marketing startup. But he's also using his experience in affiliate marketing to offer these types of Fiverr services. So really interested in getting into this review. Abid Nasser, thank you so much for submitting your information to me. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to share my thoughts and opinions, on how other Fiverr sellers are doing. And if anything I say is helpful, that's a win-win for both of us. So thank you so much for submitting your information. For anyone else who wants to submit their information to me, here's the thumbnail of the video that I talk about how to submit your information to me. If you haven't yet, check it out. I have a huge queue in my inbox, but I'm always taking submissions. So if you're interested, really looking forward to chatting with you. Let's get into this video. All right, Abid Nasser, 581. Love the headshot, my guy. This is the number one trend across all of these videos. I like headshots. I think they're professional, and I don't think you can beat them with something else. So good work, man. His description is affiliate marketing, Instagram expert, sales funnel, and ads creator. He's got 4.5-star reviews, over 6 reviews. He's from Israel. He's been on since December 2018. Fast response time of 1 hour. And last delivery was about 2 weeks ago. So he's got some Fiverr Learn certs. So he's got that basic online freelancing essentials that everyone has. He's done branding, strategy, and design, and social media content strategy, all very recently. Fantastic. I'm always a big advocate. The more, the better. Things that you can show, that you can put up that show you have expertise, only going to help you. All right, so I'm going to read his description and we'll see what we think. So I'm Abdelrahman Mare, an expert in media buying, growing Instagram, sales funnels, and affiliate marketing. Over the years, I've helped entrepreneurs, business owners, and marketers grow their brands, manage their content strategy, design their brands, and funnel sales for their campaign. My experience include being a member of the Digital Marketing Lab and STM Forum, which provides the best gurus in the world for affiliate marketing and sales funnels with varying models of traffic. I'm working with different affiliates and CPA marketing networks like ClickBank, Max Bounty, and grow Instagram organically. So grammatically, it's a little off. Like you might want to brush that up, but overall, it's pretty good. I know what you do. You sound like you're a guy who's invested a lot of time into the affiliate game. So if I was a buyer coming here and I was an affiliate marketer, I feel pretty confident that you probably know how to speak the language of what I'd be looking for. Just looking at all your gigs, I like the consistency. You've used your headshot in a lot of them. Awesome. Good work. And I like how you put the little online green thing there. A little sneaky strategy there to give buyers the perception that you're always online. Amazing. So looking at these, let's see which one we're going to look into. So I will boost and manage your business Instagram account. Let's check it out. I'll boost and manage your business Instagram account organically. Looks good. Subject line wise, I might recommend making the subject line a little bit more targeted and a little bit more generic, actually. So instead of saying I will boost and manage your business Instagram, you could say I will manage and grow your Instagram account, or I will help grow your Instagram account. Because really, as a seller, you don't care if it's a business Instagram or a personal Instagram. You're just offering a service to help manage and grow that account. And, as a buyer, both people growing personal accounts or business accounts are probably looking at accomplishing the same goal as hiring someone like you. Photo's good. It's very clear what you do, and you highlight organically, which I know is pretty important in social media marketing and growth. You want to build that organic follower base. And you break down some of the kind of post strategies you use, profile optimize. Yeah, good portfolio. I mean, it's hard to show results and validation on just through pictures, but I think you've done a pretty good job. So looking down, your description, I'll read it and we'll see what we think. So millions of users open Instagram every day to pass their time. Millions of users that could potentially be your followers, okay, and your customers. So how do you tap into this gold mine of potential sales, standing out from the crowd and winning over your competitors for users' attention? Well, 3 elements distinguish an efficient, well-cared-for Instagram account that continuously grows in followers from a shabby, plain profile that wouldn't engage anybody. The first is a good, fun-to-look-at stylish design for your feed that makes it more enjoyable for people to stay on your account while also expressing uniqueness and originality. Second is engaging daily content to nurture your leads, entertain them, and make them more interested in your brand. And the third is optimized hashtags based on niche research will promote your account as one of the most relevant for your market. This is what I'll do for you. I'll manage your Instagram account to organically boost your growth so that your profit and sales skyrocket. This way, you can keep working out on your things while your profile grows. I'll need your username, password, target accounts, and hashtag. Okay, so very clear what you do here. I think it's a good description. The only thing that I might put in here, because it's hard to show in your portfolio or up here or down here, is include some before or after. I have helped Instagram accounts in the blank space go from 200 followers to 200,000 followers, or something like that. Or maybe here you could put a screenshot of the account before and after if you have that stuff, or if you have permission from your past clients. Overall, I think it's pretty good. This is a super competitive niche. I mean, social media marketing has definitely taken off, and especially someone like Abid Nasser, who has a background in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers are all over social media. So you're in a competitive space. I think the only thing I would change here is maybe put some validation or testimonials or proof, in numbers of what you've been able to do in the past in which industries, maybe outlining the industries and the success rates you've had in the past would be very helpful. As for pricing, it is what it is. I've seen people charge $5 for this type of service, people charging $5,000. I wouldn't be so concerned with price at this point. I would just be concerned with doing things to help people actually entice them to buy your gig at this point. Overall, it's pretty good. You're in a super competitive niche. Only piece of advice is maybe add some social proof here to help people make that decision to work with you. All right, Abid Nasser, thank you so much for submitting your information. I hope this video was helpful. I can only give so many tips because I'm not an expert in every niche, but I have a pretty good understanding of how Fiverr works. So I hope these tips were helpful for you and anyone else in that affiliate marketing or social media marketing space. I know affiliate marketing is super popular lately, and so is social media marketing. So if you can find a way to develop skills in those types of industries, you very well could start, pretty profitable Fiverr business selling services in that realm if you feel confident enough to do so. So I really look forward to hearing back of whether or not this was helpful to anyone trying to take a run at that type of an industry and selling services in that vein on Fiverr. So thanks again for stopping by, and until next time, cheers.